When you were young, you used to ask why we had to wake up so early on cold mornings to go out and play. With our breath hanging in the air, I remember how the chill made your smiles even rosier. When the sun finally revealed our frozen playground, I'd turn to you and say, This is why we don't sleep in. I wanted you to understand that true passion leads you to places where your future is right in front of you. Your gaze fixed on the horizon. The landscape shifting into focus, with challenge around every turn. I taught you that time races forward. No matter how many trophies you win, time will chase you like it chases everyone else. It takes some a lifetime to realize that the only way to be free from time is to go beyond the daily struggle and ignite the passion in your soul. Passion is what brings family together. Together at home or in the middle of nowhere, it doesn't matter. Peace is living with these passions fulfilled. Even if darkness falls around you and the end isn't in sight, you'll get there. Don't measure your life by the hands on a clock. Live one that stops time in its tracks. Can-Am, we're built for this.